Alrighty, looks like we are back live. Check my connections. All right, here we go, y'all. Man, we are the market took off a little early today, so I didn't get a chance to set this up live, but we are currently in this GJ trade, which is the Great British Pound versus the Japanese Yen. All right, so let's get to this. What do we have here? We have, my friend, what we call here is a DeLorean. And what that means is certain things happen to get to this point. You might see this. All right, so these two candles right here, we focus specifically on. And the way we trade, one of our signature entries is the DeLorean. And all you got to do is ask yourself 4 simple steps. And one of the questions is, so depending on the buy or sell, which obviously, if you know how to trade, think about trading, this is a sell. So this is going down. So we wanted to sell this, and we did. So, and depending on what color you have your candles, now we have a software that automatically scans different time frames for DeLoreans, and you get notifications every like 15 minutes or whatever. And you go check it, and if it meets all the requirements, take the trade. Simple as that, right? So, but for my purposes, to get my skills even better, I look for trades myself most of the time, and I'll be doing that on here. But we have software that actually scans this, and once you know how the ins and outs of the whole process, you can look at the trades on the scanner and decide if you want to take them or not, based on your knowledge. We have a whole entire course as well. So the 4 questions, okay, so right here with my candles, I got black and red. So red is sell, black is buy. On the scanner, it'd be red and blue. Red, sell, blue, buy. So since we're looking for a sale, we're going to ask ourselves these questions. 4 simple questions. We're going for a sale. So look at hold on, let me set this up like we should be setting it up so that you can see everything. Let's look at this. We put this right here. We put that counter right there. So it says it's going to say something as to this. Look at the 2 candles to the left of the arrow. Here's the arrow, 2 candles to the left. Is the red bigger than the blue? In this case, is the red bigger than the black? Why, yes, it is. Is the red line cutting through both candle bodies? See this red line? Yes, cutting through both candle bodies. I'm trying to remember all the rules, but okay, so third. Okay, so first we answer yes to number 1. Is the red bigger than the black? Yes. Okay, is the red line cutting through both candle bodies? Yes. Now what we're going to ask these questions next is the gray or the white? I got mine's white because my background gray. So let's say it's the white, the blue, or the aqua closely above and are cutting through both candle bodies. So any one of these can be closely above or cutting through both candle bodies. So we got the aqua, which is closely above. So we answer yes. Okay, so now the 4th question is, did we make sure that the blue, white, or aqua is not closely below the candles? Why is that? Because if any one of these would say right here, a lot of times what happened is these are EMAs. It'll come down to this EMA and then start consolidating. So we want to make sure we got room for profit. And since all EMAs are above, we are good to go. There's nothing in the way. So we answer yes to that. And once you answer yes to all 4 questions, boom, you take the trade. So that's what we did. And with our method, you can actually lose more than you win and be profitable. Now, how is that? Because our risk to reward ratio. All right, so let's say we enter right here. We on our platform, how we trade is we don't trade anything that's less than a 1 to 2 ratio. All right, so right here we have about get this right. Say somewhere up in here, whatever. All right, so let's say we got a this is a 1 to 2.3 ratio. Meaning our target, we gaining more pips than we can lose. So for every, what means that 16 pips, say negative, we got 37 pips positive in our direction. So we got a potential to get 37 pips versus losing 16 pips. So that's how our risk reward is. That's how we can lose more than we win and be profitable. So that's going on right now. So right now we are currently in profit. Blue party, baby. So I'll say right now we are currently 14 pips in profit. So we have multiple, signature exits. Like sometimes it doesn't come all the way here. You have to know your exits. That's why we have a course. We teach you multiple exits that you can watch for. Let me go ahead and I got the free version, so I can't use all the indicators that I want. So we have something down here called a TDI. So right now we are looking good. If this doesn't come down here, I got multiple exits that I can use to exit this trade, so I can just make sure I stay in, in profit. Because sometimes it doesn't come to your TP; it'll come close, and then in the reverse, and go the opposite way. You gotta know your exits. But right now we are good. So this trade is actually going. So we're gonna look for some more trades. If we was on our scanner and our software, in a couple minutes we'll get notifications if there's any more DeLoreans popping up. So with that said, I'm gonna just cut a little music on, and I'm gonna scan the market and look for some possible setups, and that's all we can do. All right. And actually, this guy right here, let me pause this. This guy right here, Tyrone Foster, he's actually the creator of this the creator of this whole strategy that we go through. We got a whole course, and he also does music. So I like to listen to his music while I'm trading. It's pretty cool. GJ doing this thing. We let that roll out. Okay, hold on. Let's see some. Might take a little time for this setup, but if this ever closes above the red and come back down and closes below, it could be in for some. So that's the setup, possible setup coming later on in the day. Let's see what happens within the next hour or so with this. So we'll keep that on our radar. G-Chef, what we looking like? Let's see what it do. It's a D-low. Turn this up, man. Let's get some that pimp talk over here, baby. We get that pimp talk over here. Yeah. Profits D-Lo Nation. Started from the bottom, we ain't playing. Gotta keep that heat on that go live. Talk that pimp talk. Fuck this cash up on a new pair. That's right, we don't play fair. Tell the market makers. US 30. Okay. Let's see what this close range. Go to see what this do. I like this setup. If this, I'm gonna keep this on the Riz 8R. On the button. Took a shot at trap. Man, that shit been crazy. Man, I say that shit's amazing. So what I'm looking for is this current candle. We got 10 minutes before it closes. So if this candle closes above here, we gonna get in this trade. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, I like this. Let's see. Yeah, I like this. Got an uptrend going as well. Yeah. Profit D-Lo Nation. We ain't playing. He on that go live. Give me a continuation back up. Got the EMAs on the bottom, so boom, uptrend. So let's see what happens. We'll see what happens, but it has to close above. Just want to see something. Let's say we got it right here. I'm just looking. I only need about a... So if we want this to be our TP, we'll want that Patrick push. Like, that was a Patrick push, so maybe if this, say right around here, be a good entry. But this will have to, close up here. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens with this. Still got 10 minutes. I really don't trade the US 30s and stuff like that yet. I don't have a super duper big account. But I do like to mess around with it, look at it. I trade it sometimes when maybe the instructors call. This.
This time I won't miss it. Blockity, 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 blockity. When the pips are in red, we sell it, it's hot, coming correct. Nobody's a stop loss. Coming to chat, you're talking to cash. You know that block it, block on the pop. With through the struggle and the pain. Yeah, drips in the drips in the rain. NFPFOCN, all the same, yeah, ignite the flame. That pistol when it's hot drop. Send it to the stop loss. What you do, man, it gotta cost. Just call me the block boss.
A lot of these trades actually took off. So a lot of these trades like this this one right here took off. A lot of these trades took off at like 1 right here. It's another D-low action. Oh yeah, we also have like a 3 candle rule. So no matter what time frame you want, it's 15 minutes, 15-minute time frame. So got a D-low. So once this candle closed, we entered. So now we got 3 candle rule, 3 candles, 1, 2, 3. That's 45 minutes on the 15-minute. So at the end of this third candle, once this candle closes, if we're not in profit, we exit. Period. Why? Because we should be in massive profits in 3 candles. If not, it could either mean that they about to, go the opposite way, or they just gonna consolidate, and who knows what directions they're gonna go. So we exit the trade. It can save you a lot. Save you so much. I had times where I got out the trade and the thing literally went the other way. Got times where I got out the trade and it eventually, went down. But overall, 3 candles or less, we're not in profit, massive profit, we out. But right here, 3 candles, we good. Let's look at GJ real quick to see where we at. Okay, same thing here. This candle closed. Exit, we got in right here. 1, 2, 3, profit. We still in the trade. Okay. So let's go back to whatever right here. Let's look for some more setups. It's the only reason we don't see any right now. We might not see any until a little bit later, maybe 4, 3, 4, 5, 4:30, whatever. Because a lot of them are leaving these EMAs. All right. So that's why I'm scanning. If I see them all down here, I'm not messing with the trade because it's not giving my setup. Even if I go to a different time frame, it's still not giving me my setup. So that's what I'm watching for. Nothing. So let's listen to some more music.
Just like a bank, we pull up the pips in the bag. All bet the cash, the haters be mad. On the play, they see the flash. Into the zone, but we not alone. Only if we playing cash. Dropping the heat to your dome. We on gang like that. Try to my down.
Going to keep an eye on this one just in case this give us a little 50-50 bounce action. I know you don't know what that is. Don't worry about it. But if it happens to give us that, we're gonna enter this trade too. I like what I'm seeing on this. The direction is going. We always like to zoom out to see the direction. We've been nice little uptrend going. So that's what I'm looking at. EMA's on the bottom. So I'm looking for buys. But we'll see what this gives us. But that 50-50 would not happen for another, at least 3 more candles. So I just got that on the radar.
Nothing like a nation. Into blue is the way. We ain't playing. Blockity. Blockity, block, blockity, 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 block.
It's a setup for later, possibly. Let's see what happens.
See, I'ma keep going, I'ma keep rising, flipping accounts, so God got cash, I'ma be grinding, these traders be lying, gonna keep buying.
Let me show you something that happened yesterday. Hold on, because I actually got stopped out on this trade. I'm looking at it. I was peed off because I'm like, I knew where you was going yesterday. So these dark arrows, these dark columns, the gray, sound like Ace Ventura when he couldn't lie. But the dark gray column, so it's like different. The new days, the Asian session. So right here, I knew this. I ain't gonna say I knew, but you know, I was confident, you know, that this was gonna go up. So as you can see, I had my my DeLorean right here. So I probably entered somewhere up in here, you know, and my stop loss was like right below the white, right around here. That's where my stop loss was at. So as you can see, that baby came out and basically, you know, the market, it did a stop hunt, came out, took out all these little the stop losses where people got their stop loss at, and then shot up. Oh man, I was so pissed because I knew where this baby was going. I was like, come on, I was about to kill this trade too. But as you can see, like our stops are so, look at that. That's only like what, let's just say it's like 8 pips. They say 10 pips, lost 10 pips. I think it was like 10 pips. So 10 pips. But look at possible 50. Probably wouldn't have got the whole 50. Who knows? But yeah, I would have used my exits. I probably would have. Actually, I could tell you what I would have got. Let's see. Oh, blackity. Oh, hold on. We gotta check something. Let's see what EG did. Oh, let me see. I didn't. It was right there. Didn't close above. If it would have closed above, I'd have been entering this trade. But I still think it's gonna go up. It might not get. Hey, let me check another one. Check another broker. Cause sometimes this one might not show, but the other one does. Okay. This one might have. See? Look at that. That one went over, but I see these brokers is tricky. Like, the only reason I'm not, because they both didn't. So this one actually did, and this is actually a real good entry, but it looked like it's going the opposite way. So it could be creating an M shift. So we're not going to mess with that one. Probably pretty good that we didn't. But anyway, our stop would have been down here anyway. But I don't know what this thing is about to do. It could be doing a little stop hunt action itself before going back up. It's EG and it will do that. So this is something you have to be careful about. See how many pips. Let's say if we would have entered right here. Right here. How many pips down that thing going? It's only like 4 pips, so it's not like, you know, it's a lot. Like I'm willing to risk, like, you know, maybe risking about 8 pips if you was to get in this trade. I mean, actually, if you was to get in right now, just in case, you know, it decides to go back up, it could have just came down here, and now it's gonna take off. Let me check something. So it's kind of up in the air. Let me check GJ real quick. I have to look at the I know if GJ is to close above this red line, we out of there. I know that much. I can't tell you that. But what it could be doing is getting ready to getting set up for another dropping, giving us a D-low. It's getting about that time too. They know it want to come back. So if it does that, we'll be ready. GN, EG. So we're gonna look at this, see what EG does. Things starting to get exciting now. But ultimately, it does look like it is going to continue to go up, but it could want to retest or come back, pull back to any of these zones first, but we'll see. See, when I say get in right here, let's see what it does. It could be pulling back up. So honestly, these are still some good areas to get in. I'll go back to the FXEM because actually this is what our on the scanner, on our scanner, this is what it actually the broker uses. It uses this one. I just like Oanda, but this is the one that it actually uses. You see how I say pull right back to that, and now it's going up. So honestly, this still is a good area to get in. I think I might take a small position. I'm okay with that. See if I can find it before it does something freaky. Before it starts to take off, I should have got in. I like what I saw. All right, so in the trade, so we got in right here. Entry. All right. Let's do about 3 pips. Our stop loss is always spread times 2. So basically, it's like whatever the spread is on your broker, you times that by 2. Mine is somewhere around. We're gonna do close to 2 pips spread, so I'm gonna do 4 pips below this wick, the DeLorean candle. This is the lowest, so we go spread times 2. And the rule is say if you're not in profit in 3 candles or less, you're out. Either he's gonna hit your TP, your stop loss, or it's going to 3 candles. You're not in profit, you get out the trade. Like I said, we do nothing less than a here, so we'll be looking. I really wanted to get out there, but if not, we can always. What I tell y'all. Let's see. This is yesterday's high, I believe. So we'll be wanting to get out up here somewhere. At least a 1 to 2 ratio. Or you just follow on your exits. Simple as that. So yeah, this actually is a good one too. Oh yeah, this is real good. 1 to 2, we up here. So it's actually gonna be TP1, TP2. So if you get up here, we might be finding some resistance. It might pull back some. But yeah. So right now, if you'd have took this trade, if you're watching, you'll be in blue, baby. Like I am. I should have got in down here. That's what I should have done. That'd have been lovely. But as you can see, this is where we at right now. We would have been up, close to 5 pips. But right now, depending on the broker, could be in some profit. So It's going to bounce around, so we'll see what happens. Look at our GJ trade. GJ is just doing this, bouncing around. Look at that. Look at that. GJ coming down here. So as you can see, people, live trading is in effect. We definitely getting that. And what I love is like some of these trades corresponds with each other. Like you see how this going up. Usually, you know, not all of, usually you'll see when you see, I know like they say GBP, Euro, and say the chef, they usually like go in the opposite direction. Like you can really, this going down, G chef going down, EG going up. I also noticed too is that when I got like GU and GJ going down, I can just about bet that EG is going up. So when I saw GJ going out like that, I was like, oh yeah, I know EG is going up. I mean, I saw UJ doing this going down. I knew EG was a strong pulse. Look at that. Uh-oh. 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 Right here on the live, baby. TP smash. Like, TP smashed. Yeah. Right here on the live, baby. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Come on now. TP smash, and I'm still in the trade. I ain't even exit yet. Woo! Wee! Let's go. Let's see what EG doing. Hey, EG taking off like that? Oh, yeah. Come on now. We entered this. Hold on. We entered this trade. I got to go to the FXCM. We entered this trade on the freaking live. And I told y'all, it's like I'm entering this trade. Let's go, baby. Come on now. Let's go. Look at that. We already at the one. Come on, man. Come on. Yo, let's do this. We already at the 1-to-2 ratio. We about to smash it. We about to smash it. Look at that. Come on. I love this. I does this. If I want to, I can get out right now. I'm good. Man. Let's go. This thing, if we got in down here, though, yo, that'd have been crazy. That's okay. It's only like 3 more pips, but still. Awesome, though, man. We in this piece. Come on. I'm about to type something in here because, you know, I'm just starting my channel, so ain't nobody really on here, but. I know I'm about to. Oh, yeah. I got to give myself some props. All right. So we got that going. Like, a lot of times you get a big candle like this, it'll pull back. So what I probably do is once this candle closes, I might be about this joint. Or I might stay in the trade. I don't know. All I do know is that we in profit, baby. Like I just say something. It's like, yes, learners to earn it. Yes. That's what I'm talking about, baby. All right. We in this thing. Killing it. All right, so right now, where's that murdering them pips? Because that's what I like that block party. I mean that blue party. But we are murdering them pips right now. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Let's do some music while I look for some more trizates. I gotta look at my TDI. I might stay in this trade. finish line no matter how far. Cause we busting down the barriers and crushing all the bars.
Pull up with the bitch, yeah, we murdering this shit. Ice up on my wrist, yeah, we murdering them bitch. Pull up with the bitch, yeah, we murdering this shit. Murdering this shit, murdering this shit.
Oh, we VB, baby. Oh, we right here at the pullback too. I might go ahead and get out of this. We looking for a nice pullback. EU, baby, GU. Oh, we're gonna take this to VB. That's gonna be our exit. We're gonna stay in this one, take it to VB. I'm posting to my Facebook.
Yeah, we smashed that. Running up, pull up with the bitch. Yeah, we murdering this shit. Ice up on my wrist. Yeah, we murdering them bitch. Pull up with the bitch. Yeah, we murdering this shit. Murdering this shit. Murdering this shit. Pull up with the bitch. Yeah, we murdering this shit. Ice up on my wrist. Yeah, we murdering them bitch. Pull up with the bitch. Yeah, we murdering that shit. Murdering that shit. Murdering that shit. I'ma hit that finish line no matter how far. Cause I'm busting down the barriers. I'm crushing all the bars. Yeah. Pull up with the bitch, yeah, we murdering this shit. Ice up on my wrist, yeah, we murdering them bitch. Pull up with the bitch, yeah, we murdering this shit. Murdering this shit, murdering this shit. Pull up with the bitch, yeah, we murdering this shit. Ice up on my wrist, yeah, we murdering them bitch. Pull up with the bitch, yeah, we murdering that shit. Murdering that shit, murdering that shit, yeah.
Let's do the blue party, baby, because that's what we got going on here. I'm still posting. Yeah. All right, so it's pulling back. I could tell because my money going down. But we're not scared of pullbacks. I said it was gonna pull back, so but we gonna watch it here in a second. Just give me a second. Okay. I still think it's gonna go up. Let me see. I'm expecting a pullback. Yeah, I'm expecting that pullback. Eventually, I do think it's going to continue to go up. checking my news feed, make sure it posted. All right, let's see what's popping. Cash. All right, let's see what these other ones doing. We still rocking with this one. We're gonna take this to VB, baby. Don't worry about if you don't know what VB is. Then you need to go ahead and get with me. So we're gonna watch this and be taking it just the same way with this one. We're taking this to VB. Don't worry about if you don't know what VB is. Get with me. We gotta listen to this again, baby. This is Blue Party. This is called Blue Party, baby, because we blue. Woo! Let's go. So we're gonna check on some of the ones that we was looking at right here. ECAD. Uh-oh. Nice. Trying to give us that, but it's not giving me. What UJ doing? This can still possibly developing, so we'll see what pops off. I'm thinking they want to get this red above the aqua and the white. Hopefully then it give us a D-low and take the freak off. So man, I'm running my race. Okay, so I just remember that we stopped talking about this, but anyway, remember I was talking about this trade right here. It hit my stop and then took off. So yesterday, so yeah, I lost like 10 pips when that thing took off. I knew it was coming up here somewhere, but anyway, yeah, I said I would tell you where I would have got out at. I would have got out right about here. So for my entry, right there. Like I said, I wouldn't have got the whole 50-some pips, but if I'd have got out right down here, I'd have got like 43 pips. So that would have been that. All right, so let's look at some more Back to the music, and let's
precise.
scan the charts.
Concise. My future is looking real bright. Even though BCLS is all in the plan, I know by tonight my profits will smash. These factors will dash. I'm hitting TPs, alright. Split a click up fast, gotta cash so fast, so you know what the deal. Don't trade the trade, cause I'm paid to wait. I got these newbies like, man, this ain't real. In the zone one, zone two, hit a lick for the price, yeah, kill what we kill. Hit the red pill, always on the blue. Can you see this damn song on my grill? Pick up the moves, pick up the weight, all of it, the markets all day. Pick up the profits, markets are thoughtless. I'm rich, I'm touching the whole back game. We are the nation, and we stand proud, rubbing all this cash all deep in your face. Yes, on froze, nobody knows what's coming next. Hyper tracks away. Pull up, yeah, whip, and force funded, killing the game. Got it, I'm profit, my entries, the triggers are straight. That the gun in my chicks bad, and I'm not fronting. And she's giving Europe, that London. If I show up in the kill zone on time, yeah, I'm gunning, yeah. Deposits are hitting my base. This is real life, not a phase. We don't just do this for play. Catching these profits today. Money is all in the way. Chairman, I'm running my race. Deposits are hitting my base. This is real life, not a phase. We just don't do this for play. Catching these profits today. Money is all in my way. Chairman, I'm running my race.
Okay. Hold on, y'all. I'm looking at something else now. So we are. EG is doing this, whatever. Playing around. All right, so we're gonna come back to this. What is that? AN. I really don't. Let me see if I want to play with this one, but I do. I think I see what's happening. So we're gonna check something out. But let's go look at EG. Oh yeah, I meant to say we done with GJ. So EG is doing this little pullback thing, like I said. One here is pulling back. But I do think it might. I think if it does go back any further, it's gonna kind of right here, then go back, take off. Why do I keep coming here? I need to set it up over here on this one too. Where did? So I need to set it up on. Since I'm always using this one. Boom, 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 boom. All right, what was my take a shot truck, man? That shit be crazy. And I think we went about. Yep. Let's do this to see. Long position. I really would have been cool. Have my TP right. I mean my stop loss right there. And that would have been our 1 and 2 right there. But we had our stop loss down here, so that kind of threw our ratio off. We could have been up like a pip. Go to 57 right there. So I'm thinking. To ratio. Honestly, I should have got out at that candle, like I said. But, I mean, we still in profit, you know, tripping on none of that stuff. So it's actually 57. Boom. We good on that. Boom. Gotta expect a pullback from a large move like that. Okay. So we're looking at somewhere up here around TP. It's gonna stay in this. We're gonna take it to VB. So we actually good. We stand in this trade. All right. So that's that. Got that set up. Actually starting to move back up some. So we'll see. We looking at about another maybe, you know, good 7-8 pips. Okay, let's go back to this trade. You got a couple minutes before this trade. For this one, I'm looking at. I was looking at the wrong one. So I might not get in this trade. No, I'm not gonna mess with this one. But I thought it was this one. If it was this one, I was in there. But that one already doing its thing. But anyway, let's just say that this thing closes below. We want this to close below, which it look like it's about to do anyway. So what we be looking for? Let's say let's close below this line. I'm just gonna put entry. I'm gonna get everything set up real quick. Entry. Only got like 30 seconds, but it's gonna close below it. It's gonna do it. So you want to get in here. I don't even know what's the the spread on this. Let me look on my phone. Check my broker. Like 5 pips is the. Like I'm not going to enter this trade. I mean, you can. Once this closes in 5 seconds, here we'll hit enter. That's AUD NZD. Just because I don't want to. But this is where you'll stop it be. Like you can enter right now. Like, you know, so you came up here and let me see what the risk to reward would be. We're looking for a short. So they said we got in. If we got in right there. Boom. Say stop is right there. We want that 1 to 2. We're looking at, oh yeah, so we take it down here. So that's actually a good trade, good setup. I would really love it if this was below this. That's the only reason. But we got this 200 right here, this 200 EMA. So I kind of do like this, but I don't know if it's going to create that. It look like it could be creating a W as well. So I'll wait. I'm gonna see what this does. I'm not going to enter this trade at all. I'm just watching it. So right here, this is just for educational purposes. I'm just going to see what it does. That's it. Okay. And our TP will be right here. Let me put something. All right, so that's all I'm doing with this trade. I'm just watching it. So we'll see what happens. The only reason I didn't is because I wanted the aqua below the 200. That's the only reason I didn't enter the trade. If it was below the 200, then I would have entered this trade because it could just create that W, shift back up this way, and take off. So that's why I didn't enter that trade. But let's check on our EG. From looking at my account, looks like EG is rising. So let's see. Oh, it hit TP. But I didn't have my TP set. Let's go, baby. No, let's go. Come on, man. I am hitting this right in front of y'all. On the live now. Come on. Y'all know I gotta comment some more. on my own stuff. That's what we do until my subscriber base get up. I'm about to say, it ain't over yet, is it? I'm about to say, it ain't over yet, is it? Okay. Yeah. Blue party, baby. I'm All right, so I just posted this. I think it's not showing anything. It won't let me comment anymore. Oh yeah. Oh, whoo! That thing's going, man. Look at that. Yeah, buddy. I mean, I'm about to take a picture of this. I'm gonna put it on my Facebook. They think I'm playing over here. They think I'm playing over here. Playing over here. Playing over here. Playing over here. Oh yeah, come on, man. This was live. Live. Come on, go back up there. Cause I'm about to close my trade out, man. I'm about to close this trade out. I'm good. I'm about to just go ahead and close it. Cause hold on. Before I close, let me see something. Sometimes I'm trying to see where it's trying to go. Ooh-wee. Okay, you hitting this. Trying to see if there's like. Sometimes you go to the higher time frame and you'll see another EMA and you'll be like, oh, I see where you're going. Woo! Come on, baby. It's all good, baby. Oh, yeah, buddy. Come on now. Oh, yeah, look, it could be trying to come up here. This is last week's high. Previous week's high, so. But it's not coming right now. But, yeah. This thing, like, I don't want to get out this trade. Oh, but that thing is going nutty. I actually want to stay in it. Oh man, you know what? I think I might take some partial profits and get out. All right, so we're gonna put this. I'm actually gonna edit my because I did put a post on there. So I'm gonna let's do some music while I do this. I want to bore y'all. Let's find something. Let's go to make this EG or something like that. But while I'm doing all of this, let's find something. Popping pips, murdering pip. Pip Tall, we heard that. Got her own. I like that one. Let's look. She got her own. It's for the females out here. Let's see something. Oh, sad to forget it. Let's bang that. Uh, 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 uh.
Look at the screen. What you gotta do is you gotta set that thing. You gotta forget it. Yeah. You gotta trust in that process. We got our 4 steps. We got our entries. We got our exits.
Alright. This is my Facebook. It's my youngest. That's my oldest daughter. That's my middle daughter. And that's my son. He the oldest. As y'all can see, a lot of my stuff is live trading session on my YouTube. I mean Facebook, but I'm bringing it back to YouTube. So this is what I'm put right here. Tell them to come on. But I want to edit this. I want to put a picture. I think I can put a picture. Take profit. Set it, forget it, take profit, baby. Come on, let's do this. Still up in there. EG still moving. I'm watching it. Don't worry about that. Did I save it? Oh, all right. Make sure it's what it is. That's my daughter doing her thing. It's my middle daughter. Actually, it's my oldest daughter's son. So I'm like 38 and a grandpa. Picture that. All right. Yeah. Here we go, baby. EG doing his thug thizzle. Set it, forget it, set it, forget it, set it, forget it. No, we gonna close this to hit our TP. We out this trade. All right, so let's woo! It's TP smash, trade done, baby. What was that? GJ was done too. I still think they're gonna go down, but man, I'm cool. I got what I wanted. Let's look at this AN. Let's see what that was doing. Oh, look at that. Look at that. You'll be in profit right now. If you took that trade, that's why I said you do got this 200, so that's kind of blocking it. So we'll see what happens. But I did enter it. I'm good. Let's see what ECAD doing. Oh, ECAD trying to go down that way, huh? Hold on. Yeah. What's the other one? See what this one is doing for us. Okay, I'm looking for this later on to do something. We'll see what that does. Actually, I'm looking for this to come up here somewhere. Might not be today, but if we can get a D-low. Alrighty, so we are. Oh, live chat. That's what I'm trying to go to. All right. had to go to live chat. There we go. So I would like for this sometime to come back and give us another DeLorean. I like that I'm liking what I'm seeing on this. The aqua is above the 200. We already got our shift. We got our stuff coming. So I would like a DeLorean. If I can get a DeLorean later on in the day, I'm taking that trade. TP, first TP be right here. Second to be right here. Third to be this. And I bet you EG taking off. I'm gonna be mad. No, I'm not. I'm good. I bet you it's taking off. It's gonna take off though. So right now we could have took it to VB though. So right now it's still, this trade still looking freaking awesome. But it hit my TP, so I'm cool. Let's look at some of these. Let's look at, I can't even make it down here. Zar look like it's trying to come down, so we can get a D-low on Zar. We'll take that. I bet you to come down here. Zar throws a lot of pips. No, that's Nas 100. I thought that was Zar. My bad. So we'll see what happens. Zar taking off. Did it give us any? No, Zar just took off. Take it max. Oh, US bus got strong. Let me see. Oh yeah, US strong in the mud. Yeah, I probably should have stayed in. Let me see something. Probably should have stayed in some of those trades. Look at GJ again, because I think this thing is about to drop. Look at that, man. Yeah, should have stayed in that. That thing about to drop. Jeez, where are you trying to go? Go to the 4 hour. Oh my God. This thing has some. Okay, so I know it's. Oh yeah, it's coming to right here. Coming down there. Look at EG, because EG taking off too. Should have stayed in these joints. EG probably coming up here. Man, I tell you, taking off. Should have stayed in this trade, y'all. We should have stayed in EG. I said take it to VB, didn't I? But my dumb didn't do it. I knew it was finna take off. Got it right there. Look at that. Some more big money. That's okay. About to fix me something to drink. I'll be right back. righty. Woo! EG about to take off. My dumb ass should have stayed in this trade. That's okay. I'm mad, y'all. I should have stayed in this EG. EG pays out the most for like the base pairs, the Forex pairs. I needed this to show direction. This would be something I look at tomorrow. I couldn't mess with GU because it didn't give me any trades, no setups that I wanted. I knew it was going to drop. This was probably the one, but I wasn't on the market at 1 o'clock in the morning. That'd have been a nice one. We already been up over 100 pips on that one. Should have stayed in GJ. GJ was absolutely. Well, I was up, but I didn't take it because it gave me a shift, not a D-low. I'm kind of pissed about my EG though. I should have stayed in that one. Actually, we should have got in down here. We'd have been riding that baby. Yeah. Woo. Yes, yes. Let's see what's popping. Exit that. Let's see what that AM was doing that I said I wasn't messing with. Look at that. Look at that. Did I call this another one? Look at that. We've been in profit, baby. What y'all? Look at that. Come on, man. I'm calling these trades today or what?
Still cashing bags and money on my mind. I'm a bother and relaxing. Still cashing bags and
you're gonna tease them.
I would never trip on a boss in her bag when yeah, that's my friend and she bad and she traded. I'm a chairman. I'm a chairman. I'm a chairman. Pot of pips turned probably into pieces. Had to cancel cheesy jobs at my circle like some pizza. Raised too exclusive. I turned up my mindset meetings. All them 9 to 5 jobs. Gotta go, gotta beat it. Making money while you storing all these profits. All I'm showing. Swear beeping with these jobs. Really getting kind of boring. Chase the shit. We catching pips. We busting up. It's too much drip. We catching. Still cashing bags and money on my mind. I'm a bother and relaxing.
I need my
Cashing bags and money on my mind. I'm a bother and relaxing. Still cashing bags and money on my mind. I'm a bother and relaxing. I would never trip on a boss in her bag when yeah, that's my friend and she bad and she traded. I'm a chairman. I'm a chairman. I'm a chairman. These profits, D-Lo Nation got this. 4 steps, easy, no tumble, cannot block this. Calling straight, almost today, I'm about to hit the peak. Hundreds on hundreds and hundreds and hundreds, we don't even take the fee. Oh my God, shit, look at that. Just call it TP. Cash, all I say, you want hella sleep if you aren't with the nation, yeah. All about them steps, bigger cut, space location, yeah. Still cashing bags and money on my mind, I'm a bother and relaxing. Still cashing bags and money on my mind, I'm a bother and relaxing. Still cashing bags and money on my mind, I'm a bother and relaxing. I would never trip on a boss in her bag when yeah, that's my friend and she bad and she traded. I'm a chairman.
Alrighty. Yo. And now I'm gonna be stalking EG. I'm gonna be stalking this for a little bit. D-Lo right now. In the kill zone. Oh, I see looking at Cad. Man, Cad took off on us. Woo, Cad took off on us, yo. He didn't even give me no entry that I wanted. Jeez. Put this mic down so I can see the freaking screen. Actually, I'm pretty much done trading. Like, I got my percentage. We risk over here. Over here, we risk 2%. So when I was entering my trade, I was risking only 2%. We risk 2% to get like 5%. So that's why, like, even our rewards is it's like a 1 to 2 ratio. So that's like 4%. But we might take 1 or 2 trades, or you know, like it's 1 to 2 minimum. Like, no, I mean, I don't have trades where it's like a 1 to 6, 1 to 8, 1 to 9, stuff like that. So I had 2 trades, and I done, you know, got my actually I got like 8% maybe. So because I get 1 to 2 trades, 1 to 2 ratios. No, actually some of them was more than that. Actually, let me see, what was this EG? I don't even know what this was, but let's see. All right here, and I think we move this up here. I think we just made this like a 1 to 2, wasn't it? Yeah, so that's 2.3, and GJ was that was a 2.3. So we got over 8 pips. We got close to like 9% for the day so far. So we, and all we try to do is get our 5% a day. You see, look what happened. Look what happened. Now, I'm not saying that it's not going to continue to go back down, but get out the trade. It come right back up here. Now, it could come up here and then throw another deal on, then shoot back down. And that's the case, then we can get back in. Let's see what EG doing. EG probably went back down too. See? Look at that. This is why we get out. This is why we get our money and go. Look what it did. Yes, it went up here. Yes, we could have got all these other pips and got in, but what if you would have been like, oh, I want more, because I say eventually you can come up here, but it could, and it might, but you know it's going to pull back, and look what it did. It pulled all the way back. That thing pulled all the way back down there to entry. You'd have been shitty. You know, so that's what it could do. It could actually start going back the other way, but it might give us another D-Lo and shoot up. So look, it's good. We got out. See what GU doing. GU might have pulled all the way back up too. See? So let's listen to some more music and see if we can find some more. I still want this. If this come up here and throw me a D-Lo, I'm gonna get in this one. This was a good one. Wait for the pullback. 1, 2, 3 profit. Save the trade. Let's go to 50-50 bounce. Let's see what we would have got with this 1 and 2.
What you know about that 50-50?
Up here.
Signature trade, signature entry, signature exit. And we making money. Yeah.
So this is good TP right here.
Yeah. Let me see you.
That's another trade you could have entered.
When I play, AUD about the rocket, I place a trade. They be losing and hating all in my face. Consistently beating the market, making
this might be a later on trade around the New York session. So I'm gonna keep an eye on this one. Coming up here to the pullback zone. So it might pull back. There's that D-low and take the freak off. Right now, there's really no setups happening. If I don't see nothing forming for me, what I might do, we might end this live and come back. I'll check it later on. Like, man, I've been on this Indian food. I don't know if y'all know about Taj Mahal. I don't know about Taj Mahal, man, but that biryani rice, oh my God, like I got a taste for it right now. I just won't. I'll be smashing that thing. Sheesh. Look at that, baby. That AN might be doing something, y'all. Maybe we should have took this trade. Oh, man. Yeah, it's okay. Hey, it moves slow, though, but how many pips is this? That's 33 of them things. What's up?
Interface, EMH, yeah, they rule. Off the 50s, have my bankroll room. I got that red, I got that yellow, got that blue. Got that gray, I got
that aqua, too.
Interface,
EMH, yeah, they rule. Off the 50s, have my bankroll group. 50 bounce. See what this does.
Let's go.
So it's really not too much going on right now. I was hoping this would have closed above and it just kind of came down. I would have probably murdered that trade. Take that baby right down in here. good thing getting out of this trade. Doesn't mean that it can't still throw us that D-low later on, but wow, get these profits, give us another D-low, another entry, get more. Same with this. That means this came down more. Look at that. That's why we got out. We got out for a reason. Yeah, we could have got some more of those pills, but what if it didn't do that? We got out. Look what it came all the way back to entry. If you'd have stayed in and been greedy, you'd have been pissed. See, if you'd have stayed in and didn't set your stop loss to take profit somewhere up here, you'd have, look at that. We out already, baby. We good. Look at it in the blue. It's a dream come true. Like I said, I'm watching this one because this thing might be giving us a D-low, setting up to give us another D-low later on. Either that is going to give us a come back up and give us a 50-50 bounce. One of the two it could. So that'll be nice. So what I'm going to do is, we're going to end this live. Should I end it? Should we stay in some more? That thing took off. Look at that. So that means UG done went drop too. People be mad. They got to try to look at that. They can't even hit stop loss. Oh shit! That thing, look, man, we good. We got our money. We good. That's why you get the hell up out the trade, man. Got out the trade. Look at that. Get the hell up out the trade. We good. We went to our TP. Get out. We good. Like I said, easy done. Like, unless he's gonna give us another D-load and take back off, but I doubt it.
They say I'm changing, they just don't want me the same.
Jeez, what's going on?
Done existing. Yeah, speaking straight facts, now let's get it. All that you want, I done lived it.
Thing just got super strong.
Every single moment I breathe, this feeling will
We ain't got no news or nothing, did we?
let me know if you're listening. Letting myself rip the pain. Driving real fast in the lane. Yeah.
2:30. It can happen at 2:30.
They say I'm changing. They just don't want me the same.
Nothing really.
I think I'm changing.
I think it might be this, but I think this.
Yeah, pull up with a drop top, with a baddie dropping the bass. Every single moment I'm feeling like I'ma catch a
It's like an hour.
better get out my way. I'ma jump it back, that's a milli a day, a milli a K, the billy you ain't. I do it for the phones, that's with me today. Ice down straight, ice straight, diamond.
That thing going up on it. Woo, I'm glad I got out my trade. So I don't be greedy. Look at that. Even GU said he's going back up. Look at this though. Sheesh. Well, we're expecting a pullback, so that's why we get our money to get out. Get a pullback and continue in the same direction, it'll give us a D-low. So that's basically what it's doing, if that's what it's doing. Yeah. Got out of that. Good. Good. Make people think it's going to keep going down and took off when they asked the other way. Ooh, jokers would have been pissed if they didn't get out of it. Hope y'all took that trade. What is AN doing? That's the one we didn't take. Okay, like I said, AM moves slow. So you could be expecting some resistance around here. This the bottom of Asia, and also it's coming down to our area where it likes to pull back too. So that's all of that is in cohesive with each other's. But we just watching this. Like I said, AM moves slow, so this trade can take 300 years. That's probably why I didn't get in, because it moves slow. You hit my TP or my stop loss and get the fuck up out of here. But ECAD really didn't give us what I thought ECAD was going to continue up, but it didn't give us that's why we got confirmations. We confirmation traders and not breakout traders. I wanted to give it maybe a 50-50 bounce and then shift up, but it didn't. So we never got into this trade because it didn't give us what we wanted. It actually came down this way. So we'll see. That's why our course, the way it's set up so that you can minimize your losses. And if you don't get all your checkpoints, your confirmations, we don't enter the trade, yo. Simple as that. EU took off on me though, man. I like EU now. People say move slow, it does, but if you catch at the right time, look at this. Like this thing gave us a shift. Boom. So if you got in on this shift, you caught it. Look at that. You're getting 30-40 pips. So, and it pays like the exact amount. So you good. So I'm just actually looking at I think this UJ might be something that come on. It might not be. I thought it was going to do something for us. But it looks like it still could. Still early in the day. It's only 4:10 Eastern Standard Time, so so what I'm gonna do is nothing really is popping off. Everything is kind of away from what I want. This isn't. So we'll see what happens, but again, even before I take the trade, I gotta zoom. I gotta look at some things before I even take a trade. But AJ, I think, yeah, I do kind of like this one. I like this. I'm gonna hold off because let me see how many pips is this away from the aqua. Needed to be closer. But if this thing was even if it shoots up here, then comes down. That's good. Continue down. Wait for a blue, come back to you. So I'm kind of liking this. So we'll see what happens with AJ. Oh, buddy. Kind of. Look at AN trying to tease me for not taking that trade. Chef JPY. I do like this. Look at this though. Oh, okay. Let's see. He's just bouncing off of this Asia. She gave you that D-low right there. 1, 2, 3. We the guy even up here. So we'll see what happens with this. NZD, JPY. Cool. So a lot of these next candles, the next candle is going to determine some things with, say, this one. Especially if these close above the red, then if the next candle close, below. So these two we keep an eye on. We'll see what happens. But that depends on the next candle. Snaps. Not mess with any of these trades. Alright, yeah, there really isn't too much going on right now. A lot of stuff that already happened. It's pretty funny.
Is it a buy or sell? I'm like, are we any trades?
So So we're gonna listen to this for a little bit.
Why does everybody
I'm probably gonna get off this live and maybe come back on later.
My stop loss got hit. How'd your stop loss get? We haven't even entered into a trade yet. Are you serious? Oh man, I can't do this.
Coach, I'm ready. 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 Coach, I'm ready.
I know we've been on this live stream. A little over an hour, okay.
Coach, I'm ready. 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 No, seriously. Coach, I'm ready. If it is easy, I say, we be in all blue today. Always be one word that play into a trade relay. Yeah, springs up the top of their lungs. Before I can trade straight plunge. For some reason, never blew. I don't know what I do wrong. Killing these trade on live. The whole nation on the rise. The chats, I'm never surprised. Some about the mess of the vibe. Sitting on heavy blue, we about to kill this rise. If you don't enter in the right place, your whole chaos gonna die. Coach, I'm ready. 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 No, seriously. Coach, I'm ready. 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 No, seriously. Coach, I'm ready. All you have to do is just play. Are we buying or selling? Everything you need is sitting on the page. Coach, I'm new. Is it a buy or sell? What do I do? Only time will tell. Would you buy to a stop loss? Would you buy to get profits? Would you play if you feel lost? Let me know if you got this. If I tell you what I'm risking, you know you put a trigger. Risk the reward, sitting up about to be bigger and bigger. Coach, I'm ready. 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 No, seriously. Coach, I'm ready. 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 No, seriously. Coach, I'm ready. Doesn't matter if we blue, some are gonna be red too. Where's the signal? Not supposed to enter real late, tripping in the FOMO, dude. Why they always click when they red, even when they deal with the spread? Yeah. Did you even listen what I said? Or did it go over your head? Doesn't matter if we blue, some are gonna be red too. Coach, what do I do? Not supposed to enter real late, tripping in the FOMO, dude. Why they always click when they red, even when they deal with the spread? Yeah. Did you even listen what I said? Or did it go?
I'm red.
Coach, I'm ready. 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 No, seriously. Coach, I'm ready. 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 No, seriously.
right, yeah, man. All right, y'all. So it's not too much going on right now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna end this live, and if I come back, if I feel like trading or whatever, if I see some more setups later on in the day, I'll say maybe in a few hours, couple hours, and I'll get back on the live. So I hope y'all enjoyed this live. This is my first YouTube live with the trading, and we actually won 2 trades, and one we didn't take is actually in profit as well. Not every day is going to be like this. Can't win all the trades, but this thing is actually moving. So let's see. Look at this. So we actually check on this later too. So I hope I can come back on this live later on for part 2 of this. What's this, Tuesday live session? And I hope you guys enjoy. Please, like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Any questions, comments, concerns you may have, just go ahead and put them in the chat, and I'll reply. Man. So with that said, man, I'm about to get to this gas station and grab something to eat or something because everything closed. But they do have some good breakfast food that I can possibly eat. And with that said, man, I'm going to go ahead and hop off, and maybe I'll hop on some Call of Duty or something. Sometimes I play Xbox when I'm bored, and I'm not studying or doing other stuff. So with that said, man, thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you in the next one.